Hello friends, welcome back to another cooking episode on Shobha's Food Mazaa. Today's recipe is another summer cooler. We are going to make Thandai Lassi. Now lassi is something we all love to have in summer. It can be savory, it can be sweet with various fruits, but this lassi is unique and very flavorful. This Thandai instant masala can be made and stored in the refrigerator, and you can make such refreshing drinks and enjoy whenever you feel like. So shall we proceed to make Thandai Lassi and enjoy? Here we have taken yogurt, we'll be using as required, some icing sugar, homemade Thandai Masala powder, saffron infused milk about 3 tablespoons, chilled water. Take a jar or any vessel. Now I'm making 2 servings. For this I'll take about 1 cup of yogurt. You may add little less or more depending on the consistency you like. This is nice and thick homemade yogurt. Icing sugar, first I'm putting 3/4 tablespoon. Later on we'll taste and adjust. Thandai masala powder 1 tablespoon, saffron infused milk about 2 tablespoons. I'm leaving some for garnishing. Add chilled water as required. Now using a balloon whisk, I'm churning all the ingredients. You may also use electric beater if you wish. Now taste it and adjust the sweetness. You can add more sugar if required. Depends on how sour the curd is. If it is fresh, you'll need less sugar. If it is 1 day old, little more will be required. Whisk it again till the sugar gets mixed very well. Before serving, check it again and adjust the flavors. Now this is ready to serve. Pour it into the glasses. This is such a delicious and refreshing drink in summer. Lassi can be made with so many different flavors. This is one amazing flavor. Thandai flavor is superb. Add a spoonful of saffron infused milk on top, which will enhance the flavors further. Look at this. Looks so pretty and inviting. Lovely color. Who can ever resist such a nice lassi? Sprinkle little Thandai masala on top and serve it immediately. So friends, check out the recipe of homemade Thandai masala powder. Make it so that you can enjoy all these delicious summer treats. Thandai Masala Lassi is one such drink you are going to fall in love with. It is so flavorful. So make and enjoy. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.